welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, as you guys can see from the title probably. This is going to be an unboxing of my new Nintendo Switch Lite, and it's right here and I'm so excited. And I'm also going to show you guys, sorry I'm like itchy, a few accessories that I got for it. So if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a like. Also go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you guys can be updated every single time I upload. And go ahead and follow me on social media. I'm really active on there and we can chat and all that. So without anything else, let's just get right into the video. I'm really excited about this because it actually took me so long, you guys, to get my hands on the Nintendo Switch Lite in freaking coral. Like, it was so hard. I remember when they first came out, I was kind of debating whether I wanted one or not. And I've had most Nintendo like things. I've never had the Switch, but I've had all the other Nintendo ones, and I was like, well, do I want it? Like, and I was really thinking about it, and by the time I made up my mind, it was sold out. The coral was, of course, sold out. So I ended up having to hunt it down for like 2 to 3 weeks because I could not find this thing. And I was finally able to find it at GameStop. Now I had to pay in total before tax, I don't know, before tax. Well, I had to pay, I bought it in a bundle. So this came to, where's the game, by the way? I put it somewhere. Okay, yeah, sorry. So my thing came in a bundle, and that's the only way that I was able to get the coral version. It does retail for $1.99, but because I got it in a bundle, I had to pay $1.99 for the thing and then $59.99 for the game. So my total after tax came out to $284. So yeah, unfortunately I had to get it in a bundle, and I was actually totally okay with. Got Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, and this is a really solid game. It's a good game, you know. So I wasn't too mad, but I did want the Switch for Animal Crossing, so I did have to end up spending another $60 getting Animal Crossing, which sucked. But anyways, let's just go ahead and open it. Currently, I believe that it's still out of stock. I don't think GameStop has any more, but if they do, then I will link it down below. So here it is. It's so pretty. It's so gorgeous. I can like already see the color. Look at that, you guys. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. And down here we just have some instructions and the charger, which we don't really care about. So here it is. Comes in its little bag. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like. I don't put it straight away because I don't want to blind you guys. And then this is the back. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to play Animal Crossing on this. I'm just like, and I think the other colors are still available, the gray and the turquoise, and I think there's like a few yellow, but I refuse to get any of those shades. I was going to get the coral one, and I'm currently in the hunt for another one for my niece, so that's why I know that they're very limited stock. So I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I got for it. So the first thing that I kind of got for it was just a screen protector, and I got this off of Amazon. Everything I got it from Amazon, yes. And let me open this thing real quick. And I'm not going to put this one on camera right now because I won't be able to. Oh my god, I need to like put this up. So I got this one by the brand iVolver V-Guard, and I'm just gonna like pull them out because I don't have scissors. Oh, this is really good actually. I'm really surprised. So you get like wet wipes, dry wipes, so you can like clean it, and then you get the screen protectors. So I'm gonna do that after the video. Okay, this is going to be a little complicated for me. I already know, like, I'm not good at this kind of stuff. So we shall see how that goes. And let me put this away. I don't want to, like, lose it and then not know the freaking steps. So I believe that was around 10 bucks on Amazon. And then I also got this crystal case situation, and I was gonna get the Nintendo version of it, but it wasn't a hard case. It was like a silicone type of material, and I didn't like that. I wanted sort of a hard case, and this is by the brand Dobie, and it's crystal case for Nintendo Switch Lite, and it's basically just a clear case like that. So I'm gonna put on that as well because I don't want my Nintendo to get all ugly. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. And then what else did I get? Oh yes, I got these little what are they called, like to go on your joysticks. They're, oh, here it is, joystick thumb caps for Switch and Switch Lite. So I'm obviously going to be using the pink and the white one, and I don't know, the blue one. I'm not going to be using that most likely. And then I also got a really cool case, you guys. So I got, this was the last thing that I got and the last thing that came in the mail, and this is by the brand Geekshare. The box is so cute, it's so adorable, and you just kind of open it up and there goes the case. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm in love. It matches the joystick grips, and this is what it looks like. Again, I got this off of Amazon. This was 20 bucks. It was $19.99, and so you open it up, and this is what it looks like. So it has like a slot for like probably like headphones or like accessories, I would say, and then it has this slot where you put your games in there. Yeah, so the other side, you put your games in here, which is awesome. And then you unbuckle this, you lift it, and then this is where your Switch goes. So I'm hoping it will fit with the case on. Let's hope so, and if not, we'll like figure something out. So this is what it would look like, and then this kind of also protects your screen, and you just close it, and there it goes. So cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the screen protector on, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final result, basically. Alright, you guys, so I did go ahead and put the screen protector on. I definitely recommend it. Where is it? I don't know where I left the box for it, but I'll link it down below. It's from Amazon. It was around 10 bucks, and it was a really easy application, and I did an excellent job, if I do say so myself. It is perfect. There's not one little dust in there. There's absolutely nothing. I did have a little bubble here, and it was coming back and then leaving, and I was like scraping it off, like not scraping it off, but I was using the tool to get rid of the bubble, and yeah, it came out awesome. And I also went ahead and I put it on the joysticks because I didn't know how I would be able to do it on camera, and it was really simple. I just recommend getting the little joystick, flipping it inside out like so, and then just placing it on your joystick and letting it go, and they're really good. They attached pretty easily. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and put in the case. I'm actually going to clean it a little bit first. And I had to do the other thing off camera because I get very like anxious when I'm doing that. And I couldn't be filming and doing it at the same time. Alright, so now that this is nice and clean, we're going to go ahead and grab obviously your Switch. I mean, this is very self-explanatory. I don't think that I really need to show you guys. And alright, just like that. And then I'm going to put the top, which I'm also need to clean. Make sure no dust is in there. I hate seeing like dust around. It really bothers me. So alright, and then I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, goes the other way. Put it like that, and then we're going to go ahead, just lock it. Lock it. Alright, you guys, so there you go. It is a perfect fit. Again, I'm going to go ahead and link the case down below if you guys are interested. I believe the hard case was around $14.99. And now let's go ahead and see if this fits in my case. So I'm really hoping it does. So, alright, there it goes. Sorry, I keep like touching the screen and I'm like smudging it. So yeah, it fits perfectly. It's an awesome fit. And my switch is really protected and ready to go. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's something that I don't really ever do, like unboxing of like gaming stuff, but I thought it was really fun. I know the game, the Animal Crossing game is like super popular. The Nintendo Switch is super popular, and I am so excited to start playing it. So if you guys play Animal Crossing, let me know down below. Maybe we can like link up and I can visit your island, and that'd be pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you guys really want the coral one, I suggest for you to just wait it out and just find it. I got lucky and I was able to find it, and I feel like it was worth it because I didn't want to be stuck with the color I didn't like. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, see you guys later.